With the team clear in its ambition to get both cars scoring points in the remaining races of the season, it is showing no sign of backing on with development of its 2017 car to focus on next year. Technical Director Andy Green said that new aerodynamic parts were being readied for the Sepang event, as the team also expressed some hope it could unleash more potential from the upgrade package it introduced in Singapore. "We've got some new bits coming again for Malaysia," said Green. "There will be some more aero tweaks around the bodywork. There is still lots of to do. It is all relevant for next year, so we keep pushing on. The Singapore package is quite new too, so there will be more refinement. We definitely didn't find the sweet spot, as we proved to ourselves in qualifying, so there is a lot more to do on it. It definitely changed the car, so it will need a bit of work. But there is more coming. We fully expect our target will be to get both cars in the points from every race until the end of the season. As well as improvements to the chassis, Force India is likely to join Williams in getting hold of the latest specification Mercedes power unit, which will be its fourth and final one of the year. The team had been disappointed not to have had it available for the power tracks in Belgium and Italy, with Mercedes having held back releasing it to customers while it continued to perfect reliability. When asked if both Force Indias would get the new Mercedes, Kuatmer Safnauer said that is the plan, unless they Mercedes change their mind between now and then. Force India looks almost certain to finish fourth in the Constructors' Championship this year, even though mathematically the fight for positions is still well open. The Silverstone-based outfit has a 65-point advantage over Williams with 6 races to go, while Toro Rosso is only a further 7 points back. Although in theory the gap can be closed down quickly, if Williams scores some strong double points finishes, the chances of it scoring more points in the final 6 races than it scored in the first 14 events are slim.